On today's quick vlog, we just want to get out and ride, see the sunset. It's Crystal and I. She has the ONYX City today. And I have a new Ariel Rider X Class in the collection. It's the red hot chili color X Class 52 volts. I don't want to say 52 volts because right now we have the Phaserunner on it. It's actually a 72 volts. Let's get this ride started first. We're gonna miss out on the sunset if we don't. It's a slow acceleration, but earlier I was able to get 37 miles per hour top speed. Originally I could get 40, but I plugged in some Shinko tires, so it's a little bit slower with motorcycle tires, but that's okay. Again, we're just trying to catch the sunset here, and we'll try to do a little bit of a walkthrough. I'm not completely finished with the build. I don't even have my mirrors or headlights, or even tail lights actually. I have some kind of headlights today, but tail lights I'm still working on. I seriously have to pedal to get this bike up to speed. Yeah, it must be nice for you, you're so fast. I'm trying to get there. I'm not as fast as Crystal, obviously. Her ONYX bike is 54 miles per hour. I mean, it's kind of okay in street use. Sorta, kinda. You okay? Better? Okay, good. I could kinda keep up on a little bit of residential traffic, but as soon as it goes to like highways 40 miles per hour tops, this bike can't keep up. Watch the water spouts, okay? Slippery. I've slipped here once on a bike. They always have like some kind of water stuff going on there. Alright, just don't go too fast. I guess I didn't charge her bike all the way. We haven't used it in a while. So she's just going it slowly. Anyhow, we're not far from home, so it should be alright. But as I was saying, there was a good week where multiple people were selling different multiple parts and items. Like, I got a Phaserunner from some guy in Costa Mesa. I got a cycle analyst from Ryan. He's actually near me in West La Puente area. I was able to get this Ariel Rider frame from a guy in East LA. I got a 72 volt battery from a guy in San Pedro, Wilmington area. And I just put everything together. I was testing it out at with the Super73 at first. I wasn't too happy with the Super73. Going fast and it feels really weird. On a thinner tire like this, since I put the Shinko tires, it does well. I mean, this is one of the first days I'm really taking it out. How many bars? 2? Alright, just don't go on it lightly. Eco mode for you. I'm still trying to get my PAS settings here accordingly. But yeah, man, it sucks on the hills. So currently I'm running about 55 amp, 3500 watts power limit, 72 volt battery, Phaserunner controller, cycle analyst display. Alright, right here, Crystal. Break time. Watch the sunset. Alright, let's do a little bit of walkthrough here. Yeah, I just popped in the Shinko tires yesterday. They were such a pain to install, but got through it. This is the Ariel Rider, my 72 volt version. Again, it's not finalized. Phaserunner is right here. Currently, at least it's getting some airflow. There's a triangle 72 volt battery. It's only 20 amp capacity, so I don't get so much range, but again, as soon as I popped in these Shinko tires, I lost torque and overall top speed, but I'm running the current stock motor. It still goes up to 3,500 watts, I think, not just 2,000 watts peak, so that's good. But that's the project bike for now. That's what I'm working with. No lights yet, still working on the light system and the wiring. Nothing is finalized. Here's Crystal's ONYX City. Technically we shouldn't be using it if it's 2 bars. Alright, let's go home. Eco for you, eco mode. You'll be fine, just don't max it. And we're literally 3 miles. Anyway. Alright, we're heading out. That's the last look. You could go ahead and lead. You know the way, it's pretty much a straight. Alright, let's head on out of here. What a nice ride. The triangle bag does look tacky. Maybe I'll invest on like an enclosure, or even maybe just make my own. Things are so expensive when it comes to enclosures or custom e-bike stuff. One thing is certain, that I actually don't like the battery triangle frame way up on the bike tube. I like it on the down frame instead because of the weight purposes. Yeah, this is what I mean. I have it hanging here versus hanging up here. For weight purposes, the bike handles better when the battery weight is on the bottom. As you know, many of you folks know that already, but it looks tacky. But I love project bikes. Gets you from point A to point B, and it's a great value. I would stand behind it. I mean, that's why I drive a Prius. Just the fact that I could work on it on my own is you get attached to the bike for sure. Just working on your like handlebar, cockpit, your pretty much your dashboard. It takes quite a good while. Just little things like that makes you appreciate your bike more when you actually spend time with it. Let's try to push this bike over 2,000 watts already. 2,100 watts, 2,300 watts. So we're going about 37 miles per hour. 2,600 watts. And I left Crystal. Forgot that she has a low battery. And I'm A-okay with a 37 mile per hour Ariel Rider. It's actually, yeah, even faster than that. Alright folks, we're heading back. Thank you for tuning in on today's quick vlog. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73 Ariel Rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.